So this is the new strut bar that I'm gonna be installing in the Lancer. Let me show you my Lancer. There it is. So I custom made this strut bar. I designed it myself. So you are not gonna find a strut bar like this for that car, for that Lancer. You're gonna find it for the Evo or something like that. But you're gonna find more often strut bars that are just this part right here, to strut tower, and that's it. And now let me show you what you're gonna need to install this beauty. So as I tell you, this is the strut bar from my mom's car. As you can see, it's only connected here and there, but it's not connected to the firewall. So this is the one I told you that you're gonna find on the market. So what you're going to need is obviously a ratchet, an extension, your 14mm socket. If you want, you can use this torque wrench, and if you want, you can use a thread locker. It's up to you. I use a little bit, but that's all you're gonna need, obviously, and the strut bar. So everything is ready. I hope you can see very well that angle. So let's do it. So this strut bar is gonna be mounted from here to here, and with this bulb, I don't know if you can see it right here, with this bulb. As I tell you, I hope you can see very well this up there. It's in my head, the camera, and my forehead, so I hope you can see very well. So the first thing we're gonna do is unbolt these 3 nuts, this one, and this one, also in this side, and this bolt right here, so we can mount everything. I forgot to tell you that this procedure to mount this strut bar is almost identical to any car out there. If you can see, the strut tower is identical. So I unbolt everything. Now we're gonna position the strut bar like this, here in these threads. So make sure that this one is flat with the strut towers, and then we're gonna bolt everything. So I'm gonna put thread locker in this thread, a little bit only, here and here on the top, and when everything is tight, a little bit tight, we are gonna use the torque wrench to take everything very well. So now I'm gonna use the torque wrench. As you can see, the torque spec is 36 for the front struts and the rear struts, sorry. So we're gonna begin tightening this. I'm using only one hand, so excuse me. So let's see when it clicks, is done. So there, that ball is done. So I just finished. Everything is tight, and everything is ready. As you can see, it moved the whole car. So